So, very quick show and tell this evening, and this is my Valentine's pudding. Just drizzling over some honey, a teaspoon, over my oatbran pancakes. So what's in this recipe then? Okay, so I've used 2 tablespoons of oatbran, 2 tablespoons of fat-free yoghurt, about half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sweetener, and I've put in there 20 grams of cacao nibs. So I've got to work out the points for those in a second. I think it's 3 points, and an egg. Whisked it up with some cinnamon, and that was the pancake batter. And I made them quite thick, more American style this evening. And I've got on there some fat-free yoghurt, zero fat yoghurt, crushed with raspberries, and I've only used a gram's worth at the most of some little sparkles to make it look pretty, because I really like girly things. So there we go. I will put the full recipe on in a second, but this is Lisa's oatbran pancake Valentine's extravaganza. I am one lucky girl. Well worth the effort for myself. Show myself some love. Gorgeous.